Here we will create a window application to change row color of data grid view based on specific condition. For this we will add new form. And we will add controls on it. These are the controls that we have added. This is the data grid view in which we are going to display the data from the database. In this text box we are going to accept the branch code, and depend on this branch code value we are going to change the color of the row of the data grid view when we click on this button. First we will add the data from the database to the data grid view. So first we will import the class using system.data.oledb, and we will write connection string for making the database connection. Here connection string is written to make the connection with the database. Then connection object is created for OLEDB connection. Command object is created for OLEDB command, and data table object is created for data table. Then set connection method is written for making connection to the database, and to display the data in the data grid view we will write method data bind. In this data bind method, set connection method is called to make the connection, and then fields are selected from the employee data table. Then this query is executed with execute reader, and this data reader is loaded into the data table, and we will set this data table as a data source for the data grid view, and we will call this method after initialize component. When we execute the form, our focus should be at branch code. So we will set the tab index of branch code to 0, and at the same time we will set the tab index of the panel also 0, and we will write a code at click event of this button. First we will declare one integer variable b code, and we will use for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than data grid view 1 dot row count minus 1 and I plus plus, and we will assign the value of b code from the data grid view in b code. So b code equal to, since b code is integer we have to convert it to int32. So b code equal to convert dot to int32 data grid view 1 dot rows of I dot cells of fourth dot value. So it will assign the ith row and column number 4th value to our b code, and here we will compare the value of b code and the value entered in the text box. So if b code equals text box 1 dot text, then we will change the background color of the data grid view row, data grid view 1 dot rows of I dot default cell style dot back color equal to color dot red, and at the same time we will change the fore color also. So data grid view 1 dot rows of I dot default cell style dot fore color equals color dot white, and to execute we will call it in program.cs, and we will execute it. I will enter here branch code 2000 and I will click on this button. It will change the color of rows of the data grid view whose branch code is 2000.